Good morning, good evening. Welcome everyone for a happy Tuesday. Time's back in business. How do you feel? How's it going today? What's up everyone? Lovely community, good afternoon. Well, look at that Nasdaq. A very interesting situation for the last 4 hours out here. Time to talk about it. And time to adjust the feelings. Formula is not working yet. Trying to fix it, but their website is not loading the page I need. Good morning. We're gonna go ahead and invite people. Make sure you want to do the same thing. Minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. Remember, we must hit that minimum 180 likes. Good morning, welcome everyone. We are live. How do you feel about it today, guys, in terms of the markets? Have any expectancies, expectations, or anything such? Just report the scammer. Do not do it in the main chat. Report the scammer. We're gonna track down that guy. Thank you, Theo, for letting me know. We're gonna track that guy and then perform accordingly with our values. Thank you for letting us know. Good morning, welcome everyone. Great to see you. Well, I think it's always sunny out there in Florence. Not as sunny as the Nasdaq looks like. What do you guys think about the 4 hours rejection we have here? This could be substantial. Could be substantial, guys. There's still an hour and 30 minutes to go. If we're not closing above today and this week candle needs to close above 24,411. Remember, 24,411. Something around that one. If we're not closing this weekly candlestick above that level, it's going to be very hard for us to break above this downtrending line and not come back for a revisit under this level here. There's a ton of liquidity here. To my encircled area, ton of liquidity there. And you see there is a lot of economical stuff going around, so we are really depending unusually on that one. What did he do? He was using multiple accounts and trying to sell the accounts basically, or sharing from giveaways. So someone was using multiple accounts on the giveaways and then trying to sell the accounts. Think about it. What a loser. Think about it, guys. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. What a nasty loser. And you see, these are the guys that I am banning. I am giving them a permaban. And they come up and say, Scramble didn't give me the account. Right? They will never receive any giveaways when behaving like that. When you're miserable, do not expect me to deliver anything. It's just so weird. Exactly. Without proper authentication. Good for our side, we have proper authentication, and from 400, 500, even 600 participants in the giveaway when we were 200 on the live stream. Are you guys aware that there were like 400 or 500 people writing numbers? Like there was an additional 300, 350 bots at some point. Now we have eliminated all that crap. But back in the day, it was like this. We were 200 on the stream, and there were 400 people, 450 people submitting numbers. Formula is not working today. Hopefully it's going to get fixed. Their website is not loading on the page I need. So silly. They got an issue. Hopefully they will fix it. So this is where we are here with the Nasdaq, guys. I mean, it's quite heavy out here. I'm telling you, it's quite heavy. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it for joining. Minimum 180 likes are needed to do the giveaways. We're gonna start trading our YRM accounts. New promotions in YRM, which will last until tomorrow. YRM promotion is lasting till tomorrow, Wednesday. What does it mean? Well, with my coupon, this is their new dashboard. We got tons of accounts. I loaded up. With my coupon, you have another discount on top of their discounts. Right, so this is like 46. This is cheaper, and this is cheaper. I got myself 4 accounts today like this of 150,000 challenge. The code is working for YRM. Use simple scramble. Do not go large caps. No large caps. Simple scramble, no large caps, and it will work. City Crafty, you want to do the math and see. You want to test it out. This is 50% consistency, 50, so it's 2 days past, right? The 50,000 account. I mean, think about it. It's no activation fee, and with my code comes around 46 bucks. Something around that one. 6% target, no activation fee. That's all, 46 bucks. So here are the accounts we've got. We have 3 instant funded. Right. Here's the link, guys. Thank you. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. Let me drop you the link right now. Here's the link, guys. You're welcome. Yes, way cheaper. Way cheaper. Jenkins, it's even less than 49. It's about 46 with my code. 46. You have an additional discount. So I have 3 instant funded. Instant funded are also very cheap. And their target is less than what is, for example, on the Lucid. It's 450 bucks for the instant funded 150,000. 450 bucks. Lucid is charging for the same account like 530, and other firms even more. Just bear with me for a second. Yes. Alright guys, I'm back. Don't worry about it. Scrambles and fire, it's back. Yeah, I can show you my setup. So 3 instant funded of 150,000. It's just paid 450 bucks for it. And then I got myself 4 evaluations of 150,000 that I put under copy trading, you see. The parent account. And then this is the child accounts that will copy trade automatically. So we're trying to see how it works with... It's because, you know, you have unlimited purchases. 3 funded, that's right. But if you are having more than that, then they are simply going to be paused until it works. In what case do I prefer buying an instant funded? So, first of all, the resources of trading that you're producing in a instant funded environment brings you directly to the payout. Right? So 6% evaluation, you just get to pass the evaluation. Meanwhile, the instant funded is not even requiring 6%, and you already get paid. So, I mean, the same work, and not even actually less, for the instant funded brings you money, while for the evaluation is not bringing you money. Congratulations, Runion. Congratulations, everyone. Alright, so you want to see the buy and sells? You want to click this button here. T panel, which stands for trading panel. This one, the purple. T panel. Click that one, and you're going to have all these numbers. And then you certainly want to go here to the settings at the top right corner. Right. And then you want to see general settings. And then you want to shoot text size large. And you want to save the whole thing. Right, this is what's putting your buying and limit and all that stuff, right? The T panel, which stands for the trading panel. I like Volumetric, web-based platform. Testing out along from here, guys. Just a little scalping. If they do ugly with me, I'm gonna get out of this trade. I think I'm gonna sell partial here. I'm putting a stop loss right below this whole thing. I accepted a partial loss. We touched the whole thing. You should be able to see all these buttons. All of them. Pulling down to 5-minute representation. Not really enjoyable anymore for the longs. Yeah. Welcome guys, great to see you. Thank you so much for joining. We're going to trade our trade of A2 with Top 1 Futures Elite Daily. We're going to trade our Lucid accounts. We've got 5 Lucid funded, sitting in a very, very good shape. Lucid is running 40% off, guys, so you might want to have a go around that one. Five-minute is looking problematic here at this point. With an engulfing rejection applied at the top, happening below the daily VWAP is certainly not a good sign for the bulls. Should have shorted earlier, so it was a mistake I did by longing. It was a mistake I did by longing. Good luck, everyone. Good day. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Appreciate it. Minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. Hopefully Formula is resuming their business and stops playing games with us. We're serious out here trying to do serious business, right? And they're messing the whole thing. Interesting. We're certainly playing in between two levels here. This one. This is a cat's fight going around here. This levels. Opening my Quantar in the meantime. Nothing happened. Nothing bad. We're gonna do some giveaways for the X for Twitter, probably starting by next month. I like to grow organically, not force it that much, but we're gonna do some giveaways for Twitter as well. Here's the account, guys. 264 grand for the Lucid. It's not disappearing, don't worry. We're taking care of it. It would be probably interesting to test out a little short here for a scalping purpose. Yeah, come on, guys. Just take it a little lower. Probably we can do a little better than this. Oh, you guys were watching the other scene. Technically, there is a little support appearing here, but there's so much liquidity below this that I'm actually wondering if it's no time to conquer that. We got in a little short here, 10 minis short on my Lucid. On my Lucid Flex, printing lovely money, right? Stop loss break even already here. Testing out a short here as well on my trade of 8. Short pretty much everywhere right now. I'm out from my trade of 8. Stop loss break even here. And for my... What happened here? We touched a break even, 20 bucks for my one tower. Why is it so? What a silly thing. Oh, lovely. I'm out here. And here we have profit, guys. Here we have profit, basically eliminated the entire loss. We have $181 profit. Celebration time. Scrambles and fire. $455 on trade of 8 top 1 futures. Remember, top 1 futures, elite daily accounts. Daily payouts and no consistency on the funded stage. We're still having 20 seconds to go. We might be losing this level of support. Feeling a little bit better, but still got something around my throat going. Can't really do too much expression, guys. Might take a day or more for the flu to totally vanish away. Chicken out, right? Flu is gonna chicken out. I am not gonna chicken out of my trades. So I had a lovely short here. They gave me 20 bucks, guys. What should I do? Yeah. How's it going for you guys? How is your day happening around? Just usual times and enjoyable, unbothered moments. Yes. Probably going to start after the stream fixing it. Great to hear that. Great to hear that. Have you seen your gas prices stopping? Ha ha ha. Huge day, exactly. Gas prices stopping, right? No more increases. How's it falling for you? Yeah. We'll look into that. Wow. Thing might be going higher. Might be still going higher. Yeah, gases. You know that joke when they say, why do you say prices went up? I still pay the same $100 like I paid a year ago. Have not paid more than $100. You just get half of quantity of diesel or whatever you get. Prices didn't went up. You spend the same $100, right? $200, $300 a tank. Where you just add probably the indicator. I think you want to add the indicator somehow. I'm not having indicators on the deep chart. Was not trusting too long that. Yeah. Looks like this was the level. Yeah. Let's do another test for formula. Is it now working? Not really. Oh. What kind of announcements do we have, guys? It is ripping. Adding a little bit to this. What just happened here, guys? Are we dumping this whole thing? What kind of statements do we had again? This is so silly. I'm out of this. We got in a short on the other side. Let's make some nice money. On tweets, we have the break even set up. Dump it here. Dump it, guys. Oh, break even touched. We don't have any other trades. It's not hedging. The long has been closed prior to that. Where's the hedging, guys? The long has been closed prior to that. So we just wicked to the upside to take my break even out. Back into 5 minutes short. 10 minutes short. It's different firms, guys. We've been trading on YRM. And then Quantower. Let's make some money here. Can we? Debatable, right? Yeah, massive liquidity spike. Look at that, guys. Unbelievable candlestick of 5 minute we had. Hopefully we can fix formula. We're making some money here. I'm gonna have my take profit right there. About $7,000 for my take profit. We got into some shorts here on my trade of A2. $900, look at that. $1,000. And I'm out here. Lovely. And then I'm gonna be out here as well. $1,000 profit. Lovely. And then we gotta be out of this place too. Stop loss, break even. Do whatever you want. That's fine. Let me take out my limit order. That's fine, guys. Absolutely great profits. Watch that out. We were having 2,100 here on YRM. Now we're down 1,200. So that means we made $900 profit. And then trade evade, we have 1,305. Same $900 profit. This one is having 103, 807. Celebration time, guys. We gotta enjoy this. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah. Crazy promotions out here for the YRM. Crazy. Yep. We got the orange man tweeting again. You know, if we see ceasefire tweeting, not from the orange man, but from Iran's officials, then this is gonna rip 1,000 points. And we might see all-time high by next week. Yes, you can trade. Deep charts, web platform, you can trade for mobile, yes. Volumetric trading right there, yes, exactly this page on mobile. It's web-based. Testing a little long here, guys. And I'm gonna go break even quite soon. Stop loss already $75 profit. Leaving the rest for a nice runner. Might have some more juice. Give me that, folks. Send it. Yeah, we have a lot of discounts in the industry. Lucid is again on maximum discount with a 40% off, big discounts. Savius is 60% on all the accounts with their new website and dashboard and everything, right? So, around the Eastern times and Easter holidays, there's people doing discounts and promotions. I'm sending you the links, guys, for Savius as well. 60% off this prices. Yeah, we touch break even here. Testing out a short. And I'm doing a short from my trade of A2. Yeah, we'll get those. Yeah, slowly gaining more liquidity from the wick. I have to cut this away. I'm putting my stop losses there. Sold basically partially. Kind of have to do the same thing here. Sold partially, accepted loss there. Fully out here too. 420 less. I'm out here. I'm out pretty much everywhere. Shorts didn't work. Glad I'm out. No, it's been going fine so far. We came back to this level. Impressively. Huh. You can only recover if you're down. So that's the positive part. Think about it. You can never achieve the recovering if you're always in profit. It's not the best thing of always being in profit, because you can never recover from losses. You would never get that feeling. It's a different satisfaction. Yeah, I'm gonna pour some beluga instead of the green tea. I had some beluga yesterday. A transatlantic beluga. It's great. You know, this is not lost, guys. We have 6,000 bucks drawdown. There is no giveaway link today. I had a transatlantic beluga yesterday. You wanna research it on Google. Ho ho ho. A naked one, right? Make sure you like the video, fellas. Like the video, be subscribed. We must hit minimum 180 likes to do this giveaways. Minimum 180 likes. Formula is not working yet. Tick Trader. No updates from there. Zero updates, zero communication, zero. A big zero. You participate in the giveaway by liking the video. Be subscribed and join our Discord. And then you participate basically by guessing the number. Savius has been online for more than 5 years as a prop firm. They are really functional when it comes down to a business model, paying in 24 to 48 hours. We've been trading with Savius for a very long period of time, but it's not that popular because they are not reaching out to many partnerships. They are deciding and picking affiliates and stuff like that, right? And they've been working locally with Italian traders and German traders in Switzerland and German-speaking countries, right? So most of European ones. So there is not much happening around Savius internationally. That's why. That's why. The majority of people are not familiar with. Yes, correct. Trade the Momo. That's right, correct. I mean, so YRM is paying 1,500 and you're paying 46 bucks for the account. Like, how many accounts can you lose and break even? It's just insane. Yes, there will be giveaway today. I'm still testing a little short from here, guys. Yeah, pretty much everywhere. Indeed, it's risky. But there is nothing you can gain in life without approaching risk. Yeah. Ah, ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh. Why is it buying back so quickly and I have no time to get the hell out of this? I'm out. I'm not out. I'm out right now. Ha 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 ha. I'm out from here too. And guess what? We have it on Quantower, folks. $3,000 10 minis. Stop loss, break even. Dump it. Come on. What's the statement? Did he made a statement or something like that? The orange man. Freaking break even. But we made money here. 1,890 and we were down a lot. Yeah. Yeah, the president that he made. Look at that. Wow. So, someone was crying earlier for this account that was down 3,000. Look at that. It's just instant funded for Savius. Just instant funded. Right, so for the maximum discount, you have to create the account from here. I send you the link. Formula is not working today, but 12AC, have you seen? I wrote you something here in the group. You've been not active today. You've been playing too much tennis. Stop playing golf and tennis. When you see the arrow, they cut me away with so much profit here. And this is going lower. Trust me, this is going lower. I got in at 34,702. My entry is great. It's no longer going to be touched. This is a trade that has been open for years. Look at we're looking at a weekly candle. Posted about it in my group, guys. Discord here. Yeah, it is. I always do paper trade. Even the prop firms is just about paper trading, right? Not even the prop firms are true, guys. It's all paper, and it's a game. You remember how the guy behind the fast track trading said, "Hey, you guys, you were playing a game here. Were you expecting payouts? You were playing a game." He said that. I'll be back in 2 minutes. I gotta grab some belugas. Otherwise, it's not possible recovering that 4,500 for my Quantar if I don't grab some beluga Atlantics. Bear with me for a moment. Obviously, I got into 2014. I bought BTC below $500. That's a 30 Bitcoins long on spot. Transatlantic Beluga Racing Edition, guys. The navy blue. The navy blue Transatlantic Edition. The navy blue. Oh my gosh, he's eligible. Yes. Correct. I don't know what's behind Formula today. Why are they doing this to me? You guys have any explanation of that? How dare Formula is doing this thing to me? Testing out a little long from here. No idea. Come on, guys, can we do something like triple 1 minute candles to the upside? I would even request that much. Triple 1 minute candle. From what I see today, we have this liquidity spikes, and that's the way it's gonna be today. So expect basically 60-70 points jumping back and forth. I'm going stop loss break even. I got 10 minis long here. I'm going stop loss break even, guys. Ho ho, lovely. Lovely. And I'm out here. We're 91 bucks down. We're fine. We needed that profit. Trust me. We were down 3,300 bucks on this account. And they were calling it a bad day. Boom. I'm selling over here too. Profit is profit. I need that 1,500. I don't care what they're doing right now. It's not possible to make money in every single candle. Formula is not working yet, right? So they were calling this account dead, and they were crying it's going to be a bad day. 3,300 it was down. We're on fire. With YRM is on fire. I like their new dashboard a lot. Look at that. All these colors, and when you click, it's nicely blinking, right? They just have to increase the payout speed, and they are going to do that, as far as I have been promised by their CEO. I told him clearly that there's no point doing all sorts of silly dashboard updates when you're taking so much time paying people out. You don't need to schedule people out for that long of a time. Just upgrade your payout system like it was back in the day. Make it much better, which is something they're working on. That's why we're on manual payouts right now. And, you know, that's the reality. No one cares about dashboard when payout is slow. Just wake up, man. Don't do dashboard updates. Fix your automated payout system again. Yeah, but he's working a lot to fix it and quickly come back strongly. They were dedicating so much of their resources, not in terms of finance, but in terms of human force working right towards this dashboard, and that's happening for months. They also have some new trading platforms. There will be some new trading platforms added to YRM soon. This is looking like it wants to continue. $1,900 profit for today here. So good. We would need an extra 1,500 and we would be able to... I'm opening a short here, guys. Testing out a short as usually. I'm just testing. All my trades are just testing the waters. That's the way I'm calling it, right? I'm just testing the waters. The payout process will be reduced. Will certainly be reduced. I just got myself 4 accounts of 150,000 challenge. They're extremely cheap. Right, here's sales and promotions under our Discord with the weekly sales and promotions. And it's about 200 bucks. No, it's even less than that. Let me see. It's even less. No, it's 132. That's crazy. With my code, 132. I'm out of this trade. I'm out of this trade too here. I got out of the trade pretty much everywhere. I don't like it. We're still having 1,449 profit. We might going into that probably daily VWAP. Yeah, 262 daily VWAP. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it. We should reach out to Formula and ask their live chat support to fix Scrambo's account quickly and allow me to do this. Forms. What are they doing? It's just unbelievable. They got a problem. Ha ha ha. I think so. I think he learned that really well. And there you go. I still think this is going lower. Getting back in my shorts here. No way. Unbelievable silly price action. We got our stop loss there. It's fine. We're getting back basically to the previous loss we had in the account for the day. Unbelievable price action, guys. That's just nuts, right? Yeah, market open soon. Unbelievable price action. So we're not grabbing liquidity from this wick at all. We should have been visiting this week. In the previous move. Market opens in a minute. I'm moving a little lower. That's a lovely initial reaction. Bring it down. Come on, guys. 30 seconds left. I'm out here exposed. On the opening. With a tight stop loss. Impossible not to be touched. Impossible not to be wiped out here by the silly liquidity. Boom! Haha. Look at that. Mega pump, right? But then watch out the price action dumping as well. Because they will dump it on you. Like you never seen before. I've shorted 6,000 bucks profit. Ha ha ha. I'm out. We made $6,000 profit there. We were 7 grand down on this one. And we nicely made it through. Yeah. No link for Formula. Formula is not working. It decided not to work today, so we're gonna do the giveaway normally. Obviously, it's dumping. We're gonna do the giveaway normally, guys. Just without Formula today, because it's not working. Now we take that liquidity, of course. We got rejected by the weekly, daily VWAPs, 200 EMA. Everything is there. Look at that. Everything is there, guys. Everything. Now we might be going a little bit lower, right? Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure you join our Discord community as well. Opening up a short here for my YRM. Let's see if we can break this level below 200s. Can we do that? I'm gonna have my stop loss there. Nah. We're reversing. Got a short on my Quantower right now with break-even setup, break-even touched. So basically from 7,000 we're down 900. Whoa. Can we do a little more than that, guys? I'm testing a short here of 5 minis, not more. Usually I do 10. But I don't know what to see about it. So I'm not doing more. Things could actually become pretty ugly, Ray. We know that. Stop loss above this whole thing. Simple. Yeah, we got people posting in our Discord about payouts. I mean, all the payouts that are scheduled for people, they are receiving those payouts. There is no person that has been scheduled for the payout on a specific date and time and has not been paid. Lovely. Lovely reactions out here. This is not tradable. What do you guys think about the next candle? I think the next candle could be green. Got into a little long here. $10 minis. Let's make some money. Yep. Stop loss break even. Will I make 10,000 bucks here? You guys will confirm that to me. I'm having the break even set in, crossing my hands and waiting. Break even touched. But this whole thing might go back, right? This whole thing might just go back. Yeah, extremely unstable. No form today, formal is down. It's refusing to create a form. Watch out, those wicks. Unbelievable. We're printing. Have DC'd here. Let's see what we get in the next candle. Might sell partially in the next candle. I sold 5 contracts, yeah. Had to do it, guys. Oh my gosh, what a rejection. Oh my gosh. This is so silly, man. That was looking so juicy at some point. I'm gonna cut it away if this is not gonna... Cutting away rare. That would be the perfect spot to undercut the whole thing. Yeah, not looking too good. There's a lot of weakness here. Not looking good. Unless we rip right now, rip it. Rip it right now, we have a decent opportunity. All the way back to 50s. Ha ha ha. Rip it, guys. I'm waiting. because it's having an interesting chance. If this candle holds and the next one runs with it. Come on, guys. We need this candle to run. Stop loss break even, guys. Stop loss break even. Not selling anything yet. We got a long on our con tower too. Sorry, on our YRM too. We have a long there. And we have our long here on 10 minis. On this big fat account, 260 grand inside. For the Lucid Flex, no consistency in target. Lucid is running on big promos again. Oh my gosh, look at that, crazy. Oh, that was a crazy rejection there, you would not believe that. Close my trade on YRM2. Possibly this is going down, guys. Right, so I'll try to see if I can speculate something downwards. We got in a short here as well. 5 minute is looking ugly. I'm out from YRM. We made some money there. Come on, give me a cliff, guys. Stop loss break even. Lovely for the moment. I am out. Lovely. We made some money. We made some money there. We needed that exit. Look at that. We needed that exit, right? We have 807 here. And we got in along. We got in along. We have 2,000 profit. Rip it, guys. Ha, ha, ha. Yeah. Oh. We had a decent reaction initially. What's wrong with this Nasdaq? We got in along here, we made our money. 2,250, it's a little more than the consistency needed, so I got a room of losing. I'm out. We're gonna lose some money here, like 400 bucks. More, actually, 600 bucks. But this is so silly, guys, at this point. This is so silly. It's not holding yet. But as soon as it reverses, this is going to be a powerful situation. Make sure to like the video. We must collect minimum 180 likes. Yeah, watch this thing, guys. This could be one of those juicy times. Yeah. Today's low 133, weekly opening 24,093. I think we're gonna go down to undercut below today's low and weekly opening, so having a short wouldn't be a bad idea. Certainly a long is not at the perfect spot. Let's see if we get a little bounce, and I'm gonna be out. If this candle pushes a little bit, I'm gonna be out higher, right? Like I sold five contracts here. Can we get something stronger from here? And I'm fully out there. That's lovely. Look at that one, guys. Today's low and weekly opening are sitting there. $133 today's low, and then 24,093 weekly opening. Those are two juicy levels for me. I got into a short, 10-minute short, got out of my long and got into short on that green candle. Stop loss break even. If it rips to the upside because it's nonsense, then I have to trail that, right? Nah, they touch me. They freaking touch me. And now it's going. They touch me, and now it's going. We haven't touched that. Seeing a little short here. If they still want to be bearish, it's time to punish this. Yeah. We still have here $100,000 in the account profit. And the other wars are sitting in good shape too. This is having 92,000 bucks. Haven't traded this one today. But I want to trade this one, for example, which is 156. I need 250 bucks here for the minimum. Two mini short. Look at this price action. That's just crazy, guys. We haven't touched today's low and weekly opening, being so close. I've been only requesting a lovely continuation. Yeah. Exactly. Today is one of those days where you can very easily go full tilt and blow the whole thing up. Don't do it, guys. It's not worth a penny. Yeah, unbelievable, right? Unbelievable candle. Yeah. Where are you guys watching? The other screen. Bring it down, baby. Otherwise, I can take a loss here and it's no problem, right? Like, we still have 100 grand in the account. I can take a loss and still have 100,000. I think I'm fine with that. We'll see. I'm still leaving this one open considering the possibilities of strong continuation below this level. Still leaving this one open. I was 17 grand down on this account, unrealized. Ha 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 ha. Come on, guys. Give me that juicy move. Ha 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 ha. Today's low 133. Let's just bring the price down. If I want to get out right below that, I'm going to make 5,500. Let's see what we can get. Ha 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 ha. Bring it down. There's too many people longing it here. I am stop loss break even. Ha ha ha. I am trailing above the wick of the current candle. 5 points profit secured. I want to see this thing going deeper, grab some liquidity. We have the weekly opening. 24,093. Where is that? Touch the break even. Gonna have some more green tea for the love of the game. We have 105,000 bucks in the balance. profit. You don't call that bullish. No, no. Don't you dare calling that bullish. Obviously, it's going down as expected and as told you. Yeah. Yeah, it's going, guys. Oil is going. And I was in a 10-minute short. I was in a 10 minutes short. Yeah, looks like coffee because of the green screen we have some settings, but this is not coffee at all. That's how the camera changes. And we had the lovely short, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This whole 8,500 should have been chicken out. Touch the weekly opening. We touch it. But there is not much bouncing coming in. Oil is pumping. Unbelievable. What a short we had. And what a nasty 4 1-minute green candles we had. You see that? I was down 17 grand on those ones and I was having a short. Imagine how many people longed that or got out of shorts on those 4 green candles, the last 4 green candles we had. Great short, but we have been nicely going break even because safety first, and then this is what you're paying when you're searching safety. You pay the price of no profits. Let me tell you something. Sometimes when you search safety, you're paying the price of no profits. This would have been 8,000 bucks. Do the math on 10 minis, and I can't long it here. Like, it's weak. Right, so we should have seen a reaction of 50 points at this level if this would have been powerful. Obviously, it's not powerful when oil is ready for a breakout. Look at that. It's breaking, baby. It's gonna make a new high. Watch that out. So if you guys are spending today $300 in your gas station, by tomorrow you're gonna spend $350. Obviously, we gotta take that profit from payouts. This is a situation today. No one knows how low this is gonna fly. Alright guys, so we gotta collect a couple of more likes. Minimum 180 likes and we start the giveaways. Come on, guys, do it. Minimum 180 likes. Formula is not working yet, and at this point, it's kind of done with it. Like the video quickly so we can get started. I was running a lovely short. Instead of getting tilted, I'm gonna accept 8,500 loss and have 105,000 profit left. Instead of getting tilted. That's the alternative I have. It's still going. What a short we had. 10 minis. Oh my gosh. Look at that. From 155. Yeah, I just saw. From 155, we were shorting 10 minis. 155 was my average price. Unbelievable. Not an issue, I mean, we still have 105 grand. Look at that, guys. It's just gonna nuke, right? This is gonna nuke. Monthly opening, 23,889. Yeah. At this point, this is unstoppable. Right, so the new candle openings we had here tells me this is unstoppable for the downside for the moment. Unstoppable. Do not try to knife catch this. At meaningful levels, we totally lacked reaction. Forget about longing this. You just longed it. I'm giving it another little chance. But the whole long has been denied. Let's see the new candle. No. We're gonna set a stop loss there. We're not gonna allow this to go lower. 24,000, yeah, we touched the 24,000. 250. Yesterday's low, a little bit lower than this. We might react to that, let me show you. Look at that one, guys. This is a very interesting level. Everything's red except oil. You think if we stay above the 24,000 here, we're gonna recover? Yeah. No, I don't think. Look at this. I mean, if you look into the hourly, hourly wants to continue lower. Obviously, it wants. No, I don't think it's going to use any nuclears. No, I don't think. Not even the strategic ones, no. You know, whatever little bouncing might not be enough for the time being. Oil is gonna run. We're not stopping without crossing 120s for the oil. We're not stopping before that. Yeah, I think you need an environment for that 25k. Look at that. This is not stopping oil without touching the 120s. It's not stopping. We need another exponential move here for the oil. And we're going to get it, guys. Especially if something stronger happens tonight. Which I think Trump at some point is going to respect his words. Like 99% of the time is not happening what he says and promises, right? I think at some point he is gonna deliver on his promises, unfortunately, I think. At some point he's gonna deliver on that. We're used to pretty much hear something and see the other thing delivered. We're used to that. But I think at some point he's gonna deliver his statements. Telling people the next day, I told you, as usually, I do just as I say. Here you go. Look at that. This is not looking too good. Look at this. So 4 hours is looking really bad for Nasdaq. I'm gonna show you the numbers here. So you can see the whole thing better. Look at that. We clearly have a downtrending since February. And now we're just having another rejection on the downtrend since February, and that's it, right? Time to do the giveaways, guys. Giveaways time. No formula today, so it's going to be a lot quicker. It was a pretty slow day, but that's fine. I mean, we have 100 grand profit there. It's all good. We need a wheel. And we need the ducks. Here we are, guys. Time for the giveaway. I'll give you a minute. You gotta like the video, be subscribed. We don't have formula for today. How to join the giveaway? It's quite simple. You gotta like the video. You gotta be subscribed to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. And then join our Discord. You will play by the first giveaway will be 25k Top 1 Futures Elite Daily account. Right, so 25,000 Elite Daily. We're going to put the numbers between 0 and 9. Each number appears 1. Guess the number, guys. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. A single number per person. Guess the number, guys, between 0 and 9. Best of luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. No formula today. It's not working. Stop right there. No more guesses. No more guesses. It's over. We're going to shuffle this and give it a go. Best of luck, guys. Thank you. 25,000 Elite Daily from Top 1 Futures, an account that is daily payouts and no consistency on the funded stage. Scramble coupon code for the highest discounts on the Top 1 Futures prop firm. We've been trading with them for a while. Could that be the number 2? Could that be the number 2, guys? I am questioning if we have the force. Depends on the pedal. Oh, it's the number 1. Here you go. Congratulations. Finally stopped it. Or the number 1. Congratulations, everyone. Great job. We're going for the duck races. Congratulations. We've got number 1 for the winners. Oh, and we only have 13 winners. Look at that. 13 winners. I'm going to add myself here, plus Badger. It's going to be 15 totally. 1 minute competition time, fellas. Best of luck, everyone. I'm going to be out there competing. And I tell you from this very moment, I have not filled up the form. There is no form. 25,000 TOF-1 daily payouts, and no consistency on the funded stage. We're not verifying today. I'm the bee, look at the top. I got a lovely costume. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. The last 6 seconds are very important. You gotta push at the end right now. Team Chung. Team Chung. You made it, buddy. Congratulations, Team Chung. Congratulations. Good job. You did a good job out here. Lovely. Going to the next one. Which will be 50,000 Lucid Pro. The next one will be 50,000 Lucid Pro. Yeah. So, you want to do your best. Guess the number between 0 and 9. The same approach. Guess the number. Start right now. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice, guys. Let me know your best choice. A single guess per person for a 50,000 Lucid Pro account. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Shuffle. Bring it down. Thank you, guys. Let's go. Nah, I've closed out. We had enough loss today. Market is ripping, guys. I don't know how reliable is this move. We might come back to the same level and a little lower than that. Could be the number 9 from what it looks like. Could be the number 9 for the 50,000 Lucid Pro. Number 9 for the winners. Congratulations. Look at that. There's only 13 winners. Plus Badger and Scramble, that's going to be out there for 15 players. Best of luck, guys. Eat, pray, love. Speeding up. Trade, travel, eat, pray, love. Speeding up. There you go. Ha ha ha. Congratulations for the winners. Good job. Good job. What's happening out there on the Nasdaq? Wow. That's a huge, more than 100 points, guys. Unbelievable. Look at that. Unbelievable. Pretty strong. Pretty strong. Congratulations. Yeah. I got my strawberry hat. But look at it. 12 AC is on the 4th. Ha ha ha. Great stuff, guys. Congratulations. We're continuing with the next giveaway, 50,000 YRM. You guys want to be careful with longs today. 50,000 YRM we're doing right now for the third giveaway, the last one for today. And we're going to do the following thing. Between 0 and 5, supposed to be easier. Guess the number. You can start right now. Between 0 and 5, guess the number, guys. Best of luck. Ha ha ha. I'll be falling asleep. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. No more. It's over. Shuffle. And here we are. Could it be the number 2? You guys agree with me? Could be. Lovely. It was not hard to guess that. Congratulations for the winners. Great job. That's a good number. Pretty popular, usually. 0 and number 2 are usually the most popular. Look at that. The list is crowded. 43 winners. Plus Badger and Scramble, there's going to be 45 competing for a minute. Market is already dumping like 40, 50 points. Careful, guys. It's not that simple with the longs today. You would get surprised by seeing the price that's going to gain below 24K today. Yeah. That's the way I'm fixing the pedal. When I see no Jake in the comments, I'm putting number 2. 50,000 YRM for the winner. It goes out today. YRM, by the way, is running their crazy promotion, so keep that in mind. 46 bucks, no activation fee for their 50,000 bucks challenge. Scramble coupon code, maximum discounts. Take ya. Take ya. Ha ha ha. Congratulations. Good job. Good job, everyone. Good job. That's a juicy one. Celebration time. Great. If you want to do one more, send me the account and we're doing it. Haha. Badger is here on the 6th. That's a great one. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Looking out here for the Nasdaq. The downtrending is still here. We don't have a proper structure to speak about the reversal points unless we massively speculate. Yeah, I'm going to recover, guys, from the flu. Taking it slowly, but advancing surely. Thank you guys once again. Have a lovely day and lovely time out there. See you tomorrow. We keep in touch on Discord. Thank you guys.